buffers?
USA.
USA buffers, okay. So we set the meter using, set the meter to USA buffer group. So let's press the set. Yes. And then as you can see, P1 is pH, right? So these are the settings for pH. So you press enter. Enter. Okay, so the first one, P1.1 is buff. See, that stands for buffer. So since we are using 4710, correct? So we must set the correct buffer that corresponds to good. Oh, okay, so the refilling port is not yet open, so it has, yeah, you can rinse that with, yeah, you can rinse the dried salt with water. Because sometimes during transport, it knows, yeah. You can rinse that with water. Yeah, and then when you're rinsing, just knock down. Especially. Okay. 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 So, is it ready now, our electrode? Okay. Okay, so we're still in the first step, right? Prepare the solutions, meter, then electrode. Okay, now what's that pH buffer? 7. Okay, so we always start in the middle, right? Okay, 7. And then when you immerse, you make sure. Okay, so okay.
Ini aja pakai ini.
Okay, so what the glass bulb in the junction must be fully immersed in the solution, right, in the buffer 7. Okay, so now our electrode is ready, meter is ready, and the standard solutions are ready. So we're now going to step 2, so perform calibration. Okay, so now, okay, so what's our reading? 7.13, right? Without calibration, see? The reading is at 7.13, the temperature is 23.2, right? But this is pH 7 buffer, right? So now we have to do calibration to teach the meter, and now the temperature is 23.3. Okay, so now since it is stable, not fluctuating, so we can press enter to confirm the reading. Okay, so it says cal done. Okay, so now it's 7.00. Okay, so 23, so that means it's good. Okay, okay, so now we have immersed our electrode in pH 4 buffer. Yeah, so it already signaled that it's stable, right? And then there's also the smiley. Okay, so now we can proceed with the calibration since the reading is stable by pressing cal again, right? So if you notice, after completing each calibration, it went back to measurement mode, right? Yeah. So now it's reading the buffer. Okay, it says it's stable, it's blank, so we can press enter button. Okay, so now it says cal done, right? So the reading is 4.01 after. Like when they immerse, then they press the cal immediately, right? But then you see the reading still not stable. Because if you press the cal button immediately, it will calibrate the long stable reading. Because as you notice, sometimes it's stable, but then it changes again, the smiley disappears because it's not yet stable fully. We have to wait for the reading to stabilize. Some customers are just very excited just to immerse and then press cal immediately, right? Yeah. Yeah. Like they're always in a rush. Okay. Yeah, so let's wait for the reading to stabilize. Okay. So for this one, it's good that there is a beep sound and then also the smiley. Okay, so we press cal to calibrate. Okay. Okay, now, so this is before calibration. So waiting for a stable reading. Okay. Then once stable, press enter again. Okay. So now, Caldan.
Okay.
Okay. So now the 10.01 also highlighted, right? Just it lit up already because we've already calibrated. So we have 3 points calibration. So now